It's no cap that popular social media apps like TikTok and Instagram Reels slap, but new research suggests doom scrolling on these short form platforms may actually be affecting our auras. Some of that internet slang is referred to as brain rot. I am proud to say I only knew some of it. It was Oxford's word of the year in 2024, that being brain rot. It's defined as the supposed deterioration of a person's mental or intellectual state. A recent review of 14 studies says that heavy use of TikTok and similar platforms may be associated with the, quote, shorter attention spans, poor academic performance, and abnormal white matter in the brain linked to behavioral control. For more on this, let's bring in Dr. Nidhi Gupta. She's a pediatric endocrinologist and CEO of the Freedom Foundation, a nonprofit that promotes digital wellness. So it's not all in our heads. There is science backing this up. What should we know?
We should be very concerned about the consumption of short-form videos. The excessive consumption of this type of low-quality digital media reduces our attention span, burdens our executive control, and affects academic performance as well. Basically, a sort of short video addiction might develop, and then anything in the longer, deeper form might not seem engaging or appealing anymore.
You know, it's so interesting because even I've noticed sometimes as I'm reading something, my brain will skip around. And it's like my own attention span has also been impacted. And I don't frequent short form as much as I know many others do. But what age group are we talking about here? Is this only adolescents? Is this adults too?
Current brain rot research, Lindsay, has focused on young people. I wish we would pay a little bit more attention to the adults and elderly as well, especially the elderly. What we now know is that elderly over 60 years of age spend about 5+ hours on screens every day doom scrolling. They might have more time on their hands, but they might not have the education to be safe online, which exposes them to scams and misinformation, besides, of course, health consequences of excessive screen time.
Think of what you could do with 5 hours, what new skill you could learn. So these apps clearly aren't going away. What's your advice for people?
I suggest 4 basic foundational steps that are applicable for all ages. Number 1, turn off non-essential notifications. All of those badges, the banners, the dings, the chimes, calm the noise. Number 2, physically separate yourself from your devices for at least 60 or 90 minutes a day while you are awake. It's like cutting the cord. It's hard, but it's doable. Number 3, delete your most time-consuming apps. For most of us, it might mean social media, gaming, shopping, and other streaming channel apps. And finally, let's embrace boredom. That's where focus thrives. Boredom is our brain's default mode. We've got to give it the opportunity to go into the default mode so it can reset.
Where creativity thrives as well. Doctor, this was such good advice. Thank you so much.